Electrician website template with Divi. 2 outstanding Electrician website templates available with Divi. We'll showcase a premium option and a fantastic free template, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your business. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. First, we have a template from the Divi marketplace. Priced at just $9.99, it offers excellent features for its value. Let's explore the live demo. The Hero section greets visitors with a bold, impressive visual, setting the stage for a professional and modern site. It's designed to capture attention and make a strong first impression. The About Us section further establishes trust by vividly presenting your company's story and credentials. This space allows potential clients to connect with your values and mission. The What We Do section highlights your services comprehensively, ensuring visitors quickly understand what you offer and how you can solve their electrical needs. In the Our Team section, dynamic hover effects bring interactivity, showcasing your skilled professionals effectively and adding a personal touch to your site. The Contact Us section is seamlessly integrated with Google Maps and features a contact form for easy client communication, ensuring your clientele can effortlessly reach out to you. The Footer section is rich with resources, complete with a navigation menu, quick links, and social media buttons, making sure your clients always have access to key information. Next, let's explore a free option available with the Divi theme. The Hero section in this free template is striking, offering a captivating entry point for visitors with eye-catching visuals and compelling calls to action. The Our Services section is clear and organized, perfect for detailing the various expert solutions you provide, empowering potential clients to find exactly what they need. The About Us section provides the opportunity to share your company's ethos and experience, crafting a narrative that builds connection and credibility. The Our Work section proudly displays your portfolio, allowing you to showcase past projects with high-quality images that communicate your expertise and success. The Footer is equipped with functional contact details, including a form, phone number, email, and address, ensuring that your clients have multiple avenues to reach you effortlessly. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.